Hey there everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, hope you're all doing well. Today's video is just a quick one showing you a sort of realistic morning where I don't have any of my children at home. They are in school and nursery, and this is how I spend an example of a morning when I'm on my own. So kicking off with school run, let's get these boys to school and to nursery, and then I need to get some diesel, so I'm just going to fill the car up before I head off to my nail appointment. I get my nails done every 4 weeks, and today happens to be nail day. This is a rare treat for me. Like I said, I just do it once a month, so it's a little bit of TLC. Then I'm going to go back home and get on with all the jobs that need to be done at home. I'm going to take off my shoes and my coat, and I'm going to start off by just having a tidy up. Obviously I haven't been home yet since the school run, so there are toys and just carnage everywhere. I'm gonna tidy up in here and get everything off the floor, obviously with I'm a Celebrity in the background, because that gets you through, doesn't it? Then I'm going to move into the kitchen. The dishwasher needs unloading, so I'm going to unload the dishwasher, and then I'm going to load it back up with some dirty things that are gathering in the sink. Then I'm just going to use a cleaning spray to wipe down all of the sides in the kitchen and just get rid of any crumbs and mess left over from breakfast. I'm also just going to wipe down the hob. This was used last night, I believe, and I didn't wipe it down, so I'm just going to do that quickly while I've got everything in my hands. And I'm just going to have a general declutter, get everything off the sides, tidy house, tidy mind, if you know what I mean. I'm going to put everything back in its home and just declutter the house so that I have a clear head ready to get on with the day. And I'm going to quickly just whip the Hoover over the hard floors as well. Upstairs, and I just want to make everyone's beds. I didn't have a chance to make the beds this morning before we left for school, so I'm just going to pop into every bedroom and make up everyone's bed, making it feel all nice and welcoming and cozy for later today. Next up, I want to do some laundry. I try and do laundry every day just to stop it getting overwhelming and building up. So I'm going to take all of the clean laundry off the rack here, fold that all away, and take it upstairs to be put into everyone's bedrooms. So here I've taken the clean laundry upstairs onto the landing. I just need to sort it into piles for everybody, and then I'll take it into everyone's different rooms and different wardrobes and put it all away. And of course, now it's time to do the next load. So I need to go into everyone's bedrooms, get some dirty laundry and take that downstairs, because laundry is just that never-ending hamster wheel. now that that's on and sorted, the next thing I need to do is some filming. I need to film a reel for Instagram. I'm just going to quickly come into the bathroom here, into our new little ensuite, and film some cleaning in here that I can make into a reel this afternoon and put on Instagram. It was actually a little celebratory reel for reaching 100,000 followers on Instagram, so that is super exciting. Okay, I'm going to make myself a coffee because it's time to sit down now and get on with some editing and some work, and coffee makes that a lot easier. So I'm going to make myself a nice cozy cup of coffee. I'm going to set the scene in the living room. I'm going to light a candle, get my computer out. I'm going to get a snack as well. I'm going to get a Fiber One because that always helps, doesn't it? I'm going to get my computer out, going to get my diary out and set up my little home office, and I'm going to sit here for the next 1 hour and a half and do some emails and some editing. Before you know it, it is time to pick up my toddler and my free morning is gone, but I got loads of housework done and I got loads of work done as well, so I'm pretty happy with that. I'm just going to put away all of his lunchbox and all of his bits and bobs, and then I'm going to sit down, have some time with my 2-year-old before he goes down for his nap. While he's napping, I can just finish off any editing and any admin stuff that I didn't get to finish this morning. And that is an example of what a morning looks like for me. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video.